Right, viewers are tracking the big story of the moment. Now, the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has ordered a judicial inquiry to find the reasons that led to the stampede at the Mahakumbh, in which at least 30 people died and 60 were injured. Now, the three-member inquiry panel would be headed by retired Judge Harsh Kumar and also include former DGP V.K. Gupta and retired IS officer D.K. Singh. The Chief Minister said a separate police inquiry would also be conducted into the whole issue. Viewers, the incident broke out due to overcrowding on the day of Mauni Amavasya, and as the people who had gathered to take a dip at 4 a.m. on the auspicious time were not moving, there was a pile-up that led to overcrowding and the deaths of 30 people at least. There are many more who are admitted to the hospital and are receiving treatment. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, while addressing the issue, was seen a little somber. He said that a three-member inquiry panel will be formed and it will submit its report into the incident within 1 month's time. And with that, viewers, we shift our focus. Now, in the wee hours of Wednesday, a stampede broke out at the Holy Mahakumbh. The tragedy has led to the death of 30 people, while over 60 others have been injured. UP CM has announced ex gratia of Rs 25 lakh for the families of the deceased. Take a look at this report for all the details on how the mishap broke out.
Crowds of devotees swelling up. Barricades broken despite the warnings of the authorities. At least 30 people have been killed and over 60 others are injured after a stampede broke out in the Mahakumbh on the day of the Mauni Amavasya. The aftermath shows tragic visuals as belongings of people caught in the stampede laid bare on the ground. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced a 25 lakh rupees ex gratia for the families of the deceased.
जिन्होंने इस हादसे में अपने परिवार के सदस्यों को खोया है, वहां पर मेला प्राधिकरण के पास वो पूरी सूची है, उन लोगों ने उसको वहां पे जारी भी किया है। मैं उन सब के प्रति अपनी संवेदना भी व्यक्त करता हूं और परिवारजनों को हम प्रदेश सरकार की तरफ से 25-25 लाख रुपए की आर्थिक सहायता की घोषणा भी कर रहे हैं।
While ordering a judicial probe into the matter, Chief Minister Yogi also assured that all arrangements have been beefed up.
घटना दुखद है, मर्माहत करने वाला है। उन सभी परिजनों के प्रति हमारी पूरी संवेदना है और इस पूरी घटना की हम लोग न्यायिक जांच करवा करके इसकी तह में भी जाएंगे। इसके अलावा पुलिस के स्तर पर भी अलग से हम लोग इसके एक अलग से भी जांच करवाएंगे कि आखिर कहां पे ऐसे हादसे किन कारणों से हुए हैं।
At least 25 deceased persons have been identified by the police so far, and the identification process for the others is underway.
And with the tragedy of such a massive scale, the questions are being raised as to how did it actually unfold when everybody knew the amount of crowd of people that will be thronging the occasion of Mauni Amavasya at the nose at the Mahakumbh. Take a look at this report.
A deadly stampede at the Mahakumbh has claimed at least 30 lives. Chaos, confusion, panic. The atmosphere of the world's largest spiritual congregation disrupted in minutes. The Uttar Pradesh government managed to control the situation within minutes. It's now ordered a judicial inquiry.
घटना अत्यंत दुखद है। मृतकों के प्रति मेरी विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि है। जितने भी मृतक के परिजन हैं, उन सभी परिवारजनों के प्रति जिन्होंने अपने परिवार के सदस्यों को खोया है, मेरी संवेदनाएं हैं। विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि उनके प्रति संवेदना मेरी है और इस पूरी घटना की हम लोग न्यायिक जांच करवा करके इसकी तह में भी जाएंगे।
The opposition is blaming the administration for mismanagement of the Mahakumbh.
वैसे तो सरकार का दावा था कि 6 महीने से प्रचार चल रहा था, लेकिन अंतर्राष्ट्रीय व्यवस्था पूरी तरह से सरकार की फेल हुई है।
जिस तरीके का शासन प्रशासन का रवैया है, वो अपने आप में जुमलेबाजी का है, वो अपने आप में अधूरी व्यवस्थाओं का है। इसके लिए जिम्मेवार है भारतीय जनता पार्टी का शासन।
सरकार की पोल खोल दी इस भगदड़ ने। सरकार की लापरवाही और बड़ी चूक से ये घटना हुई है।
30 lives lost, many critically injured. Who's responsible for the Mahakumbh stampede?